So before submitting, we need to do a few things like the click outside, hide from here, and also use the state to change this. Okay, so we have it in the app.js. We can go back to there, and you're gonna see this is the components. So we're showing it and we're passing the user without any verification. Okay, so there is two ways. You can have a state that's control that and just pass it to the component needed, or you can have it in the global store like Redux store and do it there. Okay, I'm just gonna do it by state. It's easier. So let's have it. So let's call this create post visible. Okay, and set create post visible. Okay, and it's gonna be a use state, and in the beginning it's gonna be false. Okay, I feel like this is a very long name. Okay, let me just change it to visible and set visible. Okay, like that. So when visible is true, then we're simply gonna show this. Like, no, it's not gonna be shown until this is true. So we can control that by when we click on here. So we need to to manipulate data and change that. So let me take that, the set visible, and let me see where we're gonna pass it. Okay, so we're gonna pass it to the route, this one, which is gonna be the home page. So right here, as we have right here, you can go right here and just add it. Okay, there, and then we can go to the home and get it from here. This is a bit of a trouble, but this is how you do it. And this one right here is the create post right here. Okay, so we can add it also right here like that, and we can go to the create post and get it from here. And now when we click on this one, which is the create post, every single one of it I think is just gonna be, or just this one. So this one, where is it? I feel like this input, I think open post. Okay, so we can have it here. So on click, gonna simply set visible to true. Okay, like this. So let me click on here, and now you see it's open. Okay, so we can also go back right here. Where is it? The app, and we're gonna pass it for the components itself. So we can close it. So we can open that, create post pop-up, give it or get it from here. And then also when we click on the close button, which is going to be the exit icon right here, on click, I want to also hide it. Okay, this is going to be false. So now that's going to hide it. Let me click here, and now it's going to hide it, open it. Also, we're going to have the click outside, so we can go to this div right here, which is the post box. So we can add a reference to it, like for example, just call it create or just pop up. I don't have the time to think, so let me just have it. Add it in the beginning, for example. It's going to be use ref, which is going to be null. Okay, and simply you can get the function click outside. So what's the function called? So use click outside. Okay, we have it right here, and we're simply going to pass the reference, which is going to be the pop-up, and the function that we're going to pass is going to be an arrow function, which simply sets the visible to false. Okay, so let me try that. Open this, click outside, and it closes. Click here, there's no problem. Click right here and hide this. Okay, so we needed to do that. Something I also needed to explain. As you see right here, we have like the picture, and we didn't like add it. Okay, and this is, you think that we worked on it. No, we didn't work on it. Okay, this picture is just given from the other project that I have right here, okay, which is the final one. And the reason is because we share the same cookies, because right here I have the cookies by the name user, and the same why they have it right here by the same. Okay, so don't get them mixed up. It's just because of my other projects. Okay, so everything is fine. So let's continue.